Okay, so I'm going to do something new today, so please pay attention, and remember you can go back and rewatch any parts that you might have missed. So we're going to start a new part, okay, and we're going to start a 2D sketch. Now this time I'm actually going to click on this front plane, the XY plane. Okay. All right, so we have our sketch here, and I want to sketch a square. So I'm going to click on my rectangle tool. Okay, I'm going to start at the origin, go up, and I want this to be a 2" by 2" square. So you can see the numbers, they don't go up that high. I have to go off my screen. So if that is ever the case, okay, go back to near the origin and use the wheel on your mouse. Okay, so if you push the wheel forward, you'll zoom out. Okay, and see. Okay, and now I can get to around 2 inches. Okay, so there, I'm going to give it some dimensions, which is 2 by 2. So click once, 2 inches. And this side, 2 inches. All right, so it's all defined, it's all black, all good. Finish my sketch. And I'll zoom out. Now I'm going to extrude this. I'm only going to extrude this 1/4 inch. So 0.25. Okay. Now I'm going to do a second sketch. So I'm going to click on my Start 2D Sketch button again. I'm going to click on this face because I want to put a hole right here. Again, resume. All right. So we're going to be using our circle tool for the first time. Okay. So you can just click on this button, or if you happen to accidentally click there, it's the center point one. Okay. So I want that's a hole in this upper left corner. So I'm going to click once to place the center and then move it out. And I want this to be about 0.2 inches. Okay. Okay. So before I give a dimension for the size of this, I need to figure out how to define its location. So I need a certain distance from this edge and a certain distance from this edge. So to do that, use our dimension tool. You click on the edge. Okay. Then you click on the center point. And now we have the dimension between them. And you click a third time to place it. And this is going to be 0.25. And okay. And I'm going to have it be the same distance from this edge. So again, my dimension tool, click on the edge, click on the center point, and then I click a third time to place it. And this will also be 0.25. Now I can define how big this circle is going to be. So I just click on the outside of the circle once and move away, and you can see my dimensions right there. Click a second time to place it, and this will be 0.2. Okay. All right, so I have my circle. It's all black now. It's all well defined. Finish my sketch. Okay. Now I want that to be a hole. So you might think, well, you don't want to choose extrusion, but we actually do. So I'm going to click on extrusion, and you see, oh, it's coming out. We don't want that. We want to go in. So right where you're used to typing in the distance, there's a button right here that says through all. So if you click that, it will make it a hole going through the entire solid. And just okay. And now I have a little tag with a hole in the corner. Okay. And this could be the beginning of your keychain tag. We'll be doing a couple more of these. So go to File, Save As. Remember, you want to choose your student account, which will be down here. You're going to give it a name, the period number. So mine is 0. Your last name. And then Tag1. Okay. And save. That's it.